Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts and system updates because a matched account prevents lost progress. Link your Riot account to the console ID, then install the latest Valorant patch to avoid matchmaking errors. Once done, open controller settings and pick a layout that maps abilities to easy buttons. This reduces fumbling in fights. Make sure to set a baseline sensitivity and test with a practice weapon so you can iterate quickly. You now configure precise control and economy because those details decide rounds. Tweak dead zone and paraxis sensitivity, then validate it in the firing range until flicks feel consistent. You want muscle memory. Next, find abilities to reachable buttons and create a quick buy preset so you don't miss buys between rounds. Practice round-by-round economy. Learn when to buy one round, when to eco, and when to force buy so you keep pressure on opponents. You execute matches by combining comms, positioning, and utility control, because strategy outweighs pure aim. Call concise positions, ping targets, and synchronize smokes or flashes. This secures site control. Play for trades. Peek with a partner so deaths convert into trades. If something breaks, input lag, dropped packets, or NAT issues, restart the app, test another wired connection, and check console network settings. If lag persists, switch servers or contacts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.